Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do in the coming week. All right, so if you see the last week's zone markings are still intact as you can see it on the chart here, and prices have nicely moved from this area of demand zone and are moving up again, retesting 346. So good chance that if it breaks this out, it could go till 24,500, 24,600. That's the area of supply zone where it could come down to. Not much change in the charts. Monthly, we had a strong rejection from the bottom of the prices and we are moving up. So once we go above 550, path gets cleared for probably 25,200. The monthly trend is still up. On the weekly chart, if you see from that area of demand zone, we moved up last week, and last week we also got a retracement to that demand zone, and today we started moving up, retested the close to last week's highs. Good room for the prices to move till 24,600. That's the area where, if in case Nifty fails to move beyond this, we can look at confirmation shorts. These areas also will be confirmation shorts, but looking at this candle, I don't think shorts will be a good idea. On the daily chart, that's what we see. The gap filled. It was 75-minute demand zone. Prices went up and are likely to move towards 24,500. So if you're long, continue holding it with trailing. And if you're short, you got to be cautious because once we go beyond this, there could be a strong rally from 350 to 550, approximately 200 points. So just be cautious about shorts. So we are moving from a very good area of demand zone, and prices have retraced back, gone nearly pinched this supply area. We pulled back for long, and that's intraday time frame. We are seeing a new trend possibly likely to develop once we go beyond let's say 384 to 400, the trend would shift and good likelihood of prices moving towards even 25,000 if the trend remains intact. So bullish outlook. But remember, this week we also have RBI policy to banks. You need to trade carefully. And whatever you trade, make sure you have hedge in case it's an FNO, or you can look at options spreads based on the implied volatility. India VIX is still slightly elevated around 14.7, but it's failing to go beyond 15 now. Today also it failed to go beyond 15. Last few days it goes up around 15, 15.5 and then drops down. So this might cool down once the RBI policy is done and we could see it coming below 14 or 13. Till that time, probably it will remain this range, and there is no specific cause of worry based on the India VIX. I'll look at Bank Nifty here now. Pretty much similar to Nifty, but Bank Nifty is a little bit stronger, and it has still not filled that gap. If you see, so on the monthly, we are range bound. This is one, two, three, four, five, sixth month we are consolidating in Bank Nifty here. Good chance that we might try to retest 53,200 here in Bank Nifty based on the monthly. Going to the weekly, the Bank Nifty has gone beyond those areas where prices got rejected. But again, it was more like a decoy, went up, came down, but has not filled the gap. It is nicely be remaining in a range and above 52,000, 51,800. So in case this starts moving, you could see Bank Nifty moving towards these areas. So on the weekly, it's more range bound. On the daily, it's moved up pretty well from this area of demand zone. If you see, that's the area of demand zone, nicely moved up. We pinched a new high here at 52,800, and it's likely that Bank Nifty will try to retest 50 to 800. In case it goes and closes beyond this, then probably a good chance for Bank Nifty to move towards these areas, and shorts will be on confirmation. Here also shorts will be on confirmation. Bank Nifty can still come down based on the RBI policy decision to these areas or these areas of demand zone. But right now, the smaller time frame trend remains slightly to the upside, and prices are making an attempt to move higher. So once we start trading about, let's say, 50 to 300, you can expect another price jump till 50 to 800, or probably even higher. All right, so slightly bullish bias even here. Private banks do look good, especially Axis, Kotak, and maybe even Bandhan. Reliance looks good because it's again pulled back nicely, $100 about, nearly $100 about its low that it hit last month. So those could be the ones which could take it up. So bullish bias as of now, let's say at least till 24,600 and 25,200 based on prices, how they react at 24,600. Hope that helps.